Long time ago, there was a happy world full of happy people. Businesses were running and people were making money. Life was simple. One day, Adam woke up and started thinking, we need to be more systemized, organized, and better utilize information technology. Adam started analyzing his needs and exploring the available general-purpose products that handle several business areas. With these products, things started getting more organized and systemized. Adam was happy. However, the more products Adam's company began utilizing, the more problems began to appear. General-purpose products were not satisfying my business at 100%. I was always facing cases that were not covered in the generic products, and it was always difficult to customize the products to fit my needs. Adam's company ended up with rigid products that were difficult to use, as well as many unhappy and resisting users, and residual manual work to be done. My business needs are different. I need something customized for me. I need an IT company to deliver professional services. Vendors started offering their professional services as customized apps designed for Adam's company. Adam would write RFPs. Vendors would reply back, offering proposals. Adam would then select the best fit and sign a scope. Vendors would commit to a deadline. Adam was happy. He was finally receiving something that was especially tailored to meet his company's needs. But winds blow counter to what ships desire. It is impossible to understand your needs beforehand. The deeper the vendor went into the implementation phase, the clearer things became. When Adam provided valid feedback, vendor rejected it. Out of scope, change request, or extra cost. Being scope-focused lowers the output quality. A comprehensive RFP is hard to write. Adam's team was either too busy or unqualified to invest in writing a proper RFP to protect the company. Adam felt sad again. Too many change requests, management conflicts, budget shortage, unusable systems, delivering project by incomplete chunks, conflict and trust issues with vendors, delays in delivery. Adam realized that a fixed scope, cost, and time approach is simply a failure model in the IT world. I need flexibility. I need my own in-house development team. Adam started recruiting full-time employees and doing his work in-house. Adam was happy again. No more change requests, fights with vendors, or out of scope. He is also more relaxed about writing the RFP and signing the scope internally, since the employees are in-house and will readily accept any change. Full-time employees will do their best to deliver high quality, since any quality, usability, or technical issue will reflect on them, as it is not a hit-and-run situation. But with time, Adam recognized that this approach also had too many drawbacks. High cost. In-house development projects cost 2.5 times more than outsourcing them to external vendors. Resources are hard to hire. Outdated team. It is difficult for the in-house developers to stay up to date with the latest IT trends. Accumulation of extra unneeded competencies. You will always have salvage resources once you finish implementing your need. And finally, it is impossible to master your core business in addition to IT. Adam was sad again. Low quality and old-style applications and technologies, high cost, and top management disappointment, suffering to acquire the right resources. Adam recognized that in-house development will not meet his high expectations. I think I will go for outsourcing. Adam takes a minute, then decides to stop recruiting and start utilizing on-demand outsourcing where he relies on fixed contract employees. Adam was happy again. Cost is now lower since you can obtain resources as per your project's needs. You can now acquire employees easily for any technology since the subcontractor's company is in charge of the whole recruitment process. No more salvage resources because you can inject or remove resources as per your project's needs. You are getting top-notch specialized IT quality resources. Adam was able to acquire the best developers on the market, but still was unable to get the desired results. He understood that the IT project delivery process is a full collaborative effort between the business analyst, user experience, architect, developer, quality assurance and release manager, governed by a mature project management methodology that could not simply be outsourced by individual resources. Adam was disappointed again. Too much bugs and quality issues. UI and UX are always below expectations. Deadlines are not met. User adoption issues and training materials are low grade. This makes Adam confused, and he takes a moment to think. What do I need to do next? The next logical answer is more than simple. Hire LavaSolutions. LavaSolutions is an IT development company specialized in virtual outsourcing. We bring you top-quality people managed through the most optimum processes at the least cost with flexible scopes and dynamic materials to deliver customer-tailored solutions. We do outsourcing not by selling you individuals, but by offering you remote Lava units. But what is a Lava unit? It is a virtual employee that works for you for 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, for a fixed-period extendable contract where you receive a combination of business analysts, user experience, architects, developers, quality assurance, release manager, training and documentation, with a full project and application lifecycle management. You can inject Lava units as you want and turn them off as needed using our own unique and flexible RAS, Resource as Service approach. We are a scope-flexible company, willing to start from scratch and build the scope with you. We accept any type of changes anytime. We do project management practices with you and share the risks. We prioritize. We team up with you. We simply don't limit our innovation, neither do we throttle your passion. All our work happens offshore. All our developers work on cloud. You have full access to development machines, source code, reports, documents, and internal meetings are even recorded. We follow an agile methodology with a minimum viable products approach and full transparency. Our promises to you: you will not be left out in technology advancements. You can focus on your core business, and we will ensure that you are up to speed. Easier life. Since all our work is happening offshore, then no more need for complicated logistics, travel or work permits, struggling in hiring people, building expensive development environment, or interviews. We carry this load off your shoulders, close, no matter how far. We promise you a seamless offshore experience. You will feel that we are sitting next to your office. And finally, we promise to turn solutions sold to solutions used. We are simply your long-term partner. LavaSolutions. Experience the future of services.